the value that resonates with me the most is number one, agility. We have built a team here with high technical capability that has been able to respond to customer needs on a dime. We own all of our equipment. We know it up and down. We can change it when we need to change it. We can fix it when it needs to be fixed. And I think we've really seen a huge benefit from that capability as far as customer responsiveness. The other value I definitely take to heart is we care. This is a family setting at this facility. Everyone cares for one another. It's really nice to come to work and enjoy working with the people that you sit with next to every day. Made a lot of close friends, a lot of close colleagues while working at Biomerics, and I definitely take that to heart.